Assalamualaikum students, I hope you will be good students. So I wanted to make a video, small video for sequences. Uh, so just to explain the concepts, just to explain the rules and the formulas and the methods. So this is a small video for arithmetic sequence. I'm explaining this video arithmetic sequence, geometric sequence, quadratic sequence, and cubic sequence as well. So let's start. First of all, what is sequence? Sequence is, here, just wait. Yes. Sequence is, as you see here, a sequence is a list of things, usually numbers, that are in order. Like, for example, this is a sequence. These are numbers, and they are written over here in a particular order, like 3, 5, 7, 9. See, 3, 5, 7, and 9, and so on. So we have arithmetic sequence in our course. Arithmetic sequence. We have geometric sequence. We have quadratic sequence. Questions of quadratic sequence are coming sometime. Number third is quadratic sequence. Okay, fine. The cubic sequence I will discuss later. First of all, I'm discussing these three sequences. Now, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is, we don't know whether this is arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence or quadratic sequence. Look at the difference between them. 2 is the difference here, 2 is the difference here, 2 is the difference here. When same difference is there, then it means this sequence is arithmetic. Sequence is here. Now, this is known as the first term. See, the first term, this is first term. This is second term. This is third term, as it's written over here, and that's the fourth term. Now, these dots means there are some other terms as well. Now, we have a rule for arithmetic sequence to find a particular term. Like if I'm saying, give me nth term, like 10th term. So I call that nth term. And for nth term, I have formula, this one. See, an, which is given here, a1 plus n minus 1 into b. Now, what is a1? A1 is explained there. A1 is first term. You can see that's first term. A1 is your first term. Now D is what? D is difference. Now N is basically the term position. Like term position means, what is the term position meaning? Like if you're finding second term, so you will input N2. If you're finding third term, you will input N3. If you're finding fifth term, you will input N is equal to 5. If you're finding a 10th term, you'll input n is equal to 10. So that's the formula for arithmetic sequence nth term. Okay, I hope it's clear to all. Now, look at this one. The second thing I'm doing is geometric sequence. Look at this sequence: 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. So we want to see it, whether it's arithmetic sequence or geometric sequence. Look at the difference. Difference is 2 here. Look at the difference here. It's 4 here. Look at the difference here. It's 8 here. Look at the difference here. It's 16 here. So it means difference is not same. When difference is not same, it's not arithmetic sequence. Now, if it's not arithmetic sequence, then we are searching, we are checking for geometric, whether it's geometric sequence or not. So for geometric sequence, what's the rule? Look at that thing. I'm explaining that. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Divide 4 by 2. Then the result is what? Result is 2. Divide then 8 by 4. Result is what? 2. Divide then 16 by 8. Result is 2. divide then okay, divide then sorry, this pen is doing some problems. Okay, so 2 here. Now divide 32 by 16. What we get? 32 by 16 is okay. Now 32 by 16 again we get same 2. So look at this, common ratio is same here. Common ratio, look at the common ratio. Common ratio is 2. We just see 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So it means this is geometric sequence. And this is known as, this is your first term. This is A1, first term. And R is here 2. Okay. These two things are very important. Now, how to find the nth term? For nth term, we write formula AN is A1 R power n minus 1. That's a formula for nth term of geometric sequence. Quadratic sequence, it's always the general form of quadratic sequence is always this. I will say nth term is an square plus bn plus c, just like ax square plus b plus c. Okay. Now, how we will do the quadratic sequence and how we will recognize the quadratic sequence. Look, if I have this 6, 11, 18, 27, 38, 51, look at the difference of 6, 11, 5 differences there, 11, 18, 7 differences there, 18, 27, 9 differences there, and 27, 38, 11 differences there, 38, 51, there is 13 difference. Okay. Now, this is called, we call this first term. Okay. And the pink color 5 is known as the first difference. It's called first term. This is called first difference, and this is called second difference. Okay, second difference will be same. See, same difference here. The second difference is always same. That is the signal of quadratic sequence. This is, we are doing quadratic sequence. Now, if question is coming, there are two ways to do the question. One is mentally, the other one is using rules, using formula. Now, how to know the formula, how to remember the formula, and how the formula is developed. I'm just developing the formula so that you can easily remember it. An is an square plus bn plus c. An means this is nth term. T and Rn is same. If you put n is equal to 1, put n is equal to 2, put n is equal to 3, put n is equal to 4 in the same expression. So if n is equal to 1 is replaced there, we get a plus b plus c. If n is equal to 2, 4a plus 2b plus c. If n is 3, 9a plus 3b plus c. If n is 4, so 16a plus 4b plus c. Difference, please. What's the difference here? It's called the first difference. So first difference will be, come on, get the first difference, please. Difference of these two, difference of these two, and difference of these two. Difference of these two is 3a plus b. Difference of these two is 5a plus b. Difference of these is 7a plus b. This is known as the first term. First term. This is known as first difference. This is first term. This is first difference. And this is the second difference. We will get the second difference now this way. See, second difference is 2a. Here is also 2a, and here will also be 2a if there is another term there. So this is known as second difference. Now, rule is, rule is this one. Method is this one. If question is difficult and you can't do mentally, then please use this method. You will get the answer. 2a is what? Second difference is equal to the second difference there. So 2a is equal to 2. So a is equal to 1. Now, first difference is 3a plus b is equal to, their number is coming 5. So 3 into 1 plus b is equal to 5. B is equal to 2. Now a plus b plus c is equal to what? That's the first term. And first term there is 6. So 1 plus 2, c is equal, that's 6, sorry. So c is equal to 3. And term, tn, and term is, a is 1, so 1 square. B is 2, 2n, sorry, 2n. Is this 2n, and c is what? C is 1, so 3. So that's how we get the nth term for quadratic sequence. Thank you so much. Inshallah, in next videos I will be doing some questions from the exam papers. Okay, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.